Right now, the agriculture sentiment score is at plus 0.42, with a momentum spike of plus 0.57 over the past 24 hours. This indicates a significant shift in sentiment that isn't typical for this time of year. What's noteworthy is the way this uptick aligns with emerging trends in sustainable farming and supply chain innovations. When you call our API, you'll receive a comprehensive response that includes sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and semantic clusters, all designed to give you a nuanced understanding of agricultural sentiment. Imagine using this data to optimize your crop yield predictions, or to inform your investment strategies. The insights could be the edge you need. Get started with our API today at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.